Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Today we are going to do our day 27 ka to-do list. These are the topics we need to complete for today. And for the score boosters, we have the questions. These are the questions we have. Let's solve these questions from simplifications. Simplifications. Question number 1. 32 square minus 18 square minus 26 square equals to question mark into 120. For this question, we need to know the squares of 1 to 60 is must. And also we have some other ways to calculate this. 32 square minus 18 square. This is similarly like to a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here 32 plus 18 is 50 into a plus b. This is a plus b. For a minus b, 32 minus 18, which is 14. Now we need to know 26 square, which is 676, equals to question mark into 120. Question mark into 120. Here this is 50 into 14 means 700 minus 676 equals to question mark into 120. This is 24 equals to question mark into 120. 24 5 times. Therefore, our question mark is equals to 1 by 5, which is 0.5. This is our answer. Question number 2. 52 into 42 minus 39 into 19 equals to question mark minus 17 into 32. Here I can see 13 here and here also 13. We take 13 as common. We get 13 4 times into 42 is 168 minus 13 3 times and 3 19 times is 57. So we get 13 into 111, which is 1443. This is 17 2s are 34, 17 3 51, 54, 544. So minus 544, this side is 544 plus 544, 7 8 1987. So this is our answer. Question number 3. 26.66% of 630. For this question, we need to know the fraction values of percentages. Here I can able to do 26.66%. I divide this into 10% plus 16.66%, because I know the 16.66% is 1 by 6. 10% I can easily calculate 10%. So 10% of 630 plus 16.66% of 630 is 105. So we get 168 as the total of 26.66% of 630 plus 9.09% means 1 by 11 of 132, which is 12, plus 8.33% means 1 by 12. 1 by 12 of 1728. 1728 is 12 cube, so this is 144. So plus 144. Total we get 324 whole equals to question mark square, which is question mark equals to 18. This is our answer. Now we move for question number 4. Question number 4. 183 divided by 3. 61 plus 7 into 29. We can make this as 7 into 30 minus 1 and 210 minus 7, which is 203, equals to question mark plus 266 divided by 2 means 133 minus 35. Here minus 35 comes to this side with positive 35. We get 899 equals to question mark plus 133. So our question is 299 minus 133, 661. 116 is our answer. 166 is our answer. Question number 5. 31 square plus 32 square. 31 square is 961 and 32 square is 1024. Sum of these is 5891 divided by 5. 5 3 times, 5 9 times, and 5 7 times. 397 is equals to question mark minus 14 square, which is 96, 196. Therefore question mark is equals to 397 plus 196, which is 13, 19, 593. 593 is our answer. These are the simplifications. Now we are moving for quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. First one, x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. The roots are positive 5 and positive 2. Y square minus 11y plus 30 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 6 and positive 5. By comparing these two, x is lesser than or equals to y. This is our first question answer. Second one, x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 6 and positive 6. 8y square minus 15y plus 7 equals to 0. Here the roots are 8, 7, positive 8 and positive 7. To make the bases equal, we multiply this with 8. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Third one, x square minus 17x plus 72 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 9 and positive 8. Y square minus 20y plus 100 equals to 0. Here the roots are positive 10 and positive 10. By comparing these two, x is lesser than y. Question number 4. Three x square minus 16x plus 21 equals to 0. 3 into 21 is 63. 63, 9 7 times is 63. So our answer 9 6 times, 9 7 times is 63. Positive 9 and positive 7. 3y square plus 8y plus 4 equals to 0. 3 4s are 12 and 6 2 times is 12. These are negative. Here the roots are in positive, here the roots are in negative, so x is greater than y. Question number 5. 3x square minus x minus 10 equals to 0. Here the roots are 6, 5. Here the minus, this is positive 6 and this is minus 5. 3y square minus 10y plus 8 equals to 0. 3 8 times 24. 24 means 6 4 times. These are in positive. By comparing these two, x is greater than or equals to y, x is greater than y, and x is lesser than y. So no relation. So no relation for this question. Now we are moving for approximations. Approximations. Question number 1. 28.1 into 31.9, which is 28 into 32. 28 2 times 56 and 28 3 times 84 plus 5, 89, 896 plus 40.9 means 41 into 49.3 means 49. Here the unit digits sum is 10 and these tens place is same. So this is 5 4s are 20 and 9 1s are 9, 0 9. This is our 41 into 49 plus 68.9 means 69 into 70.89 means 71 equals to 4x. 69 into 71. It seems like 70 square minus 1 square. We can write this as 70 square minus 1 square because it is 70 plus 1 into 70 minus 1. A square minus b square formula. So we get 4899 equals to 4x. By adding all these three, we get 7804 equals to 4x. 4 1 time 9 time 5 1 is our answer. 1951 is our answer. Question number 2. 2.15 means 2 divided by 16.9 means 17 into 30% of 2379.95 means 3 by 10 of 2380. 0 0 cancel, and 17 1 time 4 time. Total equals to question mark minus 30% of 349 means nearly 350. So 6 into 14 98. Okay, 6 into 14 means 84. Here minus 3 into 35 is 105 plus 105 here. So we get 189 is our question mark. So 189 is our answer. Third question. Square root of 2208.9 means square root of 2209, which is a square root of 47, plus square root of 840, which is nearly equals to square root of 841, which is 29, equals to question mark minus square root of 24.87, which is square root of 25. So this is 5. So our question mark square equals to 81, which is 9. So our answer is 9. Fourth one. 286.2 means 286 into 44.98 means 45 divided by 55. 5 9 times, 5 11 times, and 11 26 times, minus 164.96 means 165 equals to question mark into 3.01 means 3. Here 26 into 9 times means we get 234 minus 165 equals to 69. 69 is question mark into 3, 320 3 times. So our answer is 23. So our answer is 23. Now moving for the fifth question. We'll do this here. Fifth one. 2378.12 means 2378 plus 3374.9 means 3375 minus 2875.9 means 2876 minus 1376.21 1376. Here 6 plus 6 12 12. Here 8 plus 5 13 13 minus 12 is 1 14. Here 14 0 6. This is 56. 56 minus 141. Okay, 5 1 1501. This is our answer. Now we are going for wrong numbers. Wrong number series. Wrong number series question number 1. 2 14 98 786 4802 33614. By seeing this question, I can able to say that this is 14 and this is 98, which is 7 times, and this is also 7 times. 98 into 7 times is 686. I think this is 686, not 786. 686 into 7 times 7 4802. Yes, it is true. Into 7 times is 7 to the 14, right? This is also true. So our wrong number is 786. How I get this? I am familiar with the numbers of 14 and 98. So we need to know the tables of 20 into 20 compulsory. 20 into 20 tables must be learned to make these questions simple. Second question. 125, 128, 126, 130, 129, 136. Here the difference is plus 3, minus 2, plus 4, minus 1, plus 7. 3, if it makes positive 5, and it is 7. 4, here the difference is minus 2. Here if it is 5, 131, it will be minus 2. So these two are okay. So our wrong number is 130. Our right number is 131. Third one. 6, 93, 282, 570, 958, 1446. This is 87 times. Here the difference is 189. Here the difference is 288, 388. So here 488. So it must be 188 and it is 88. If it is 88, here 6 plus 88 equals to not 93, it will be 94. So wrong number is 93. Fourth one. 7, 32, 68, 117, 181, 362. Here the difference is 25. Here the difference is 36. Here the difference is 49. Here 64. Here the difference must be 81. Here this is the wrong number and our answer is 262, not 362. Fifth one. 20, 40, 124, 600, By seeing this, we can able to understand the question, and we need to be familiar with these numbers. 42 into 11 is 462. 6 into 7 times. Here these are the prime numbers, so it will be 5 times. So this not be 124. This is into 3. This is into 2. So 40 into 3, it is 120. 120 into 5 is 600. So our wrong number is 124. So we must be familiar with the numbers. So we need to know the tables of 20 into 20. So we need to revise all the tables daily to make these questions very faster. Now we are moving for missing number series. Missing number series. First one. 4527 4535 4551 4575 dash 4647. Here the difference is 8. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 24. It is clear that it is 8 table, and here the value is 32. It must be 40. So adding 32 this, we get 4607 is our missing number here. Question number 2. Dash 3584 896 224 56 and 14. You must be familiar with the numbers 4 and 56, 14 and 56. It is 4 times. 14 into 4 times is 56. So it will be into 4 times from the back side. It is also into 4 times, into 4 times. So this will be into 4 times. So our answer is 14336. 14336 is our answer. Third one. 8 24 72 216 dash 1944. Here this is into 3 times. This is also into 3 times. This is 3 times. So it must be into 3 times. Into 3 times of 216 is 648. This is our missing number. Question number 4. 13 30 64 dash 268 540. 540 268. I know that if we add 2 here, we get 270. 270 into 2 times is 540. Let's go through the first one. In plus 2 15 into 2 times, plus 2 32 into 2 times. So we add this, we add 2 for 64 66 into 2 times. 132 is our missing number. 132 is our missing number. Now we are going for fifth question. 18 69 137 273 545. Here this is very clear that into 2 times minus 1. This is into 2 times minus 1. This is also into 2 times minus 1. So it must be into 2 minus 1, which is 36 minus 1 35 is our answer. Now we are reasoning inequalities. For these inequalities, we don't need any paperwork. We'll go through the questions directly. Question number 1. B2 conclusion 1. B2y, B2g, G2u, U2y. Okay, it is possible. N2y, N2u, U2y. This is also possible. Both 1 and 2. Here N2y, N2y is not possible. Z2n, Z2n is possible. Here only 2. V2g, V2p is possible, and no other possible. No. G to O. G to T is possible. T to O is also possible, but not equals to. So this is wrong. Neither one, not two. I to K. I to K, not possible. Z to R. Z to R. This is also not possible. Neither one, not two. W to V. W to Z. Z to X. X to V. This is possible. X to Y. X to V. No, this is not possible. Only one is true. Now we are moving for final topic, syllogisms. Let's solve these syllogisms questions. Syllogisms question number 1. All gold is platinum. No platinum is silver. Only few silver is copper. Only few silver is copper. Conclusion 1. No gold is silver. No gold is silver. As it is true. Conclusion 2. All gold being copper is a possibility. As it is true. So both 1 and 2 is true here. Second question. All board is black. No white is marker. Only few white is board. Only few white is board. Only few white is board. And no white is marker. Conclusion 1. No board is marker. No board is marker. No, this is false. Conclusion 2. All black being white is a possibility. As it is true. Third one. All rice is lentil. Some lentil is ragi. No ragi is jowar. Question 1. Some rice is ragi. Some rice ragi. No. Some jowar being lentil is possibility. Some jowar being lentil is possibility. As it is true. So our conclusion 2 is true. Fourth one. All tigers are panther. Only panther is lion. So lion doesn't share with anything. Some tiger is cheetah. Some tiger is cheetah. Here some tiger is cheetah. Conclusion 1. We get some panther is cheetah. Some panther is cheetah. True. Second one. Some tiger being lion is possibility. No, it is not possible. So only one is true here. Now we are moving for question number 5. So all triangle is trapezium. No triangle is square. Only few trapezium is parallel. Only few trapezium is parallel. Conclusion 1. All trapezium can never be square. All trapezium can never be square. True. Second conclusion. Some triangles is parallel. Some triangles is parallel. Some triangles is parallel. No, it is not true. So conclusion 1 is true. From this we have completed our day 27 ka score booster topics. We'll go through the day 28 questions tomorrow. If you have any doubts, please contact me with the Telegram link given in the description. Thanks for watching.